Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and in this mathematics session we are going to see the concept of circle and its related algebra, that is various equations of circle. This is a nice combination of the part that called as coordinate geometry, where that relation between their algebra and geometry. First we'll define the circle. What is circle actually? As you know, circle is something like this. It has a fixed center and it has a fixed radius. Center is the fixed point from where the distance of each point on the circle is equal, and that distance is called as radius. Center of circle denoted by point C, the radius of circle denoted by R. So these two are the important parts for the circle, that is center and radius. Its definition can be given in terms of locus also. As you know, locus is the set of points which satisfy certain geometrical condition. How circle is defined then in terms of locus? It is like this. Circle is the locus of point such that each point is at a same distance, or that called as fixed distance from the fixed point. That fixed point called center denoted by C, and that fixed distance is called as radius, that is R. Do you know diameter of circle is the double of radius, and diameter is any chord that passes through the center of circle, something like this. So for example, this is the center of circle C, and for example this chord AB passing through center is the diameter. What is mean by chord of circle? Chord of circle is the line segment joining any 2 points on circle. For example, this is chord PQ, this is chord SR, and so on. Then now we will deal with different forms of circle and their equations. Among that, the first one is standard circle. Standard circle is the circle whose center is at origin. We know this is our coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, this is what? Origin. And if we draw such circle whose center is at origin, it is called as standard circle. How to get equation of standard circle? Standard circle, for your information, has such equation: x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is the radius of circle and its center is origin, that is 0, 0 is the center. So this is the standard form of equation of circle, and such circle with center at origin is called as standard circle. Its equation: x square plus y square equal to r square. This is for equation of standard circle, or equation of circle in the standard form. So we may call x square plus y square equal to r square is the equation of circle in the standard form. The next is their center radius form. If you have the circle and if you know its radius is r, and suppose the center C has such coordinate CHK, then its equation is given by x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Here center is hk, the coordinates. So equation in this form, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to r square, this is called as center radius form of equation of circle. The next it is diameter form of equation of circle. Now for the diameter form, we should know end points of diameter. For example, if we have such circle and if it is one of the diameter is AB, we know diameter passes through center, something like this shown, C at center, and suppose these end points of diameter, they are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the equation of circle in diameter form is like this: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is what called as diameter form of equation of circle. Then the next is general form of equation of circle. General form of equation of circle is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Remember, this circle has such center minus g minus f. Suppose center point denoted by c, then its coordinates from this equation they are minus g minus f, and its radius is given by square root of g square plus f square minus c. So what form is that? This is called as general form of equation of circle. The next, that is here parametric equations of standard circle. We already know standard circle is x square plus y square equal to a square r square, and its parametric coordinates are x equal to r cos theta, y equal to like this r sin theta. You can put these xy values in that standard equation, you will get LHS, RHS satisfied or equal. Then last concept is tangent to the circle. What is mean by tangent to the circle? Tangent is a line which touches the circle externally at a single point. We know at every point on the circle there can be only one tangent. Like this, something like this. Suppose the center of circle is C there, and this is the point of contact P, then you know this CP is always perpendicular to the tangent. One more thing, tangent we can draw at every point on the circle. There is single tangent. There is no tangent possible to draw from the point inside the circle. However, if a point is outside the circle, then we can draw such two tangents. Through any external point to the circle, given circle rather, we can draw two tangents. So that is the brief idea about the circle. If you like this video, all these formulae very important and they are very useful to solve the problems. If you like this video, share with your friends, suggest them to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our latest notification. Okay, thanks.